open, and here's my view. You can see that much. In fairness, may bidet na sila. Parang 2 years ago wala silang bidet. Pero ngayon may bidet na sila. And then, complete amenities naman. Same pa din. Ito pa rin yung kinukuha ko before. And then, ito walang laman. So, nilagyan ko lang ng mga gamit ko. Ayun, towels. And then, itong bathtub, katabi lang ng bed. So, yan lang yung divider. I wanna show you this. Meron silang wine. And then, coffee. What do you call this? Basta yun. Meron silang ganito. Then, ganito. And then, may mga tea. And then, also, look at this. So, yun. And then, cabinet. Dito. Spacious. And then, merong slippers. I miss these slippers. Ayun. And then, this one. Meron ding pang emergency sa fire. Diba? Bongga. Yan lang. And then, this is the sofa. I miss this room. May TV. Di ko alam kung smart TV ba to. I can't remember, pero baka. So, gusto ko din mag-bathtub. I don't know kung mag-bathtub ako now or hindi na lang. Kasi may bathtub naman ako sa accommodation. So, medyo hindi ko naman siya nami-miss. Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So, I decided to vlog because I'm here in Guangzhou, China. And it's been 2 years or 3 years that I haven't been here. So, yep. It's so unexpected because I'm on reserve this month. And I wasn't expecting any flight because of what's happening in the country. But then, thankfully, they gave me at least 2 flights this March. One was Singapore. The first one was Singapore, and then this is the second one. So imagine I only have 2 flights this month. But yeah, still thankful because others are not having any. But yeah, tomorrow I wanted to go to the market, but I'm still deciding whether to go outside, like not around the hotel, because I've been here and I have explored things around the hotel, but I haven't been to the Chinese market or Chinatown because I'm just afraid to go out because not everybody speaks English. But yep, I will try tomorrow so that you can see a lot of things here in Guangzhou. But if not, maybe I will still try to vlog if I'll just go around the hotel. So yep. It's raining so hard. There's thunderstorm. Good morning. It's already 3 p.m. here and I decided to wake up. But then it started to rain. Look. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. As in, ang dami pang kidlat. Kaya nagising na ako. And nung nakita ko, grabe na yung ulan, as in. Sobrang umuulan. Di ata nakikita. So, buti na lang meron akong food dito. I have baon na Ichiran ramen, noodles, cup noodles, and maybe wake up call is 8 p.m. and maybe I will just order room service because I wanted to go to 7-Eleven or I wanted to visit the milk tea opposite the hotel, but then I don't think I can go out with this. To be honest, I wanted to sleep pa hanggang wake up call because the flight is around midnight and we will arrive in Dubai around 5 a.m. So it's very tiring. That's why I just wanted to rest as long as I can because I also slept late last night, like around 5 a.m. because I'm following Dubai time. 5 a.m. local time here and it's 1 a.m. in Dubai. So, yep. I don't know. Where is the kettle? There. Kettle. Need to wash the kettle. Parang similar sa Australia. Okay na ba yan? For the noodles. Humina na yung ulan. And I'm actually planning to eat outside kasi mura pagkain dyan, mga siomai, ganun, mga Chinese food. Mura lang, and then may milk tea din na mura lang, na sa Asia ka lang naman makakakuha ng murang milk tea. Pero ito, may thunderstorm dito. So, I haven't been to Ichiran Ramen Restaurant kasi tamad na akong pumila. So, bumili na lang ako ng cup noodles muna. Okay. Okay. So, I decided to go out. Fit check. Nag-shoes na ako kasi baka may mga baha-baha. And then, ito lang yung coordinates ko sa Uniqlo. GU. This is GU. From GU. Yun lang. Let's go. I will try to vlog. May nakita akong mga store sa tapat ng hotel. So, tignan natin kung ano yung mga binibenta nila. Pero di naman ako masyadong bibili. Bibili lang ako ng pang dinner ko mamaya. Bye! So, nakita ko yung mga store doon sa gilid. Ayun o. So, tignan natin kung ano yung mga binibenta nila. Tatry ko rin mag-vlog. Sana wala akong makitang crew. Yun lang. And sana makabili ako ng decent na pagkain for dinner before wake up call. So, let's go.
是我们坚守的处境，请上2楼。茶位费，点打包费，5常米饭，汤粉面免费续。24香星路，每日門店熱銷，實流超45分鐘唔賣。食免茶位費，點打包費，同埋
Alam ko dito mga residential na. So, doon tayo pupunta. Tawid tayo. Pagkat sa mga sasakyan. Ba't kasi tayo?
美团171
什么线吗？难怪别人说。
Parang napunta na ako sa wet market. Sa wet market na ata ako. Parang masarap ito. I'm back. Diba? Set up ko pa yung camera ko sa dami kong bitbit. Grabe, naabutan ako ng ulan. Dami kong binili. Grabe. Sana di natapon pagkain ko. Tapos, meron pa akong payong ng bitbit. Whew! And then, meron pang milk tea. So, I'm back in the hotel and sobrang basang-basa ako, di ba? Mukha akong basang sisiw. So, papakita ko lang lahat ng mga pinamili ko. First, ito, yung pinamili ko with soup. And then to, roasted duck with egg. And then rice, of course, may rice. So, ayan ang dinner ko. And then, hindi na ako nag-milk tea, nag-lemon tea na lang ako with plum. And then, wala na siyang ice kasi tagal kong bumalik sa hotel. And then, next, bumili ako ng mochi sa bakery chocolate kasi nagkikrave ako. And then, may nadaanan akong strawberries. Ito, ang lalaki niya. Diba? Sobrang laki. And then, 300 pesos per pack to. Tinitimbang lang nila. Thanks to Translate app kasi hindi kami magkaintindihan ng mga tindera dun pero lahat sila mababait. Hindi sila masusungit tulad sa Bangkok. Na ang susungit nila pag hindi mo sila maintindihan. Pero dito, yung mga tao dito, tutulungan ka nila mag-translate sa Translate app nila. Or ako, may translator naman ako. So, at least nagkakaintindihan pa rin kami, di ba? And mababait sila lahat. Confirm. Ayun lang. So, I'm gonna eat now and I need to shower again before the wake-up call, which is 8:30 p.m. So, let's go. This is my food. Let's eat. Wow. Oh, sarap. Sarap ng plum. Napit kayo. Sarap. Kaya ako to binili kasi ito may pork and then also may roasted duck. Tapos, meron pang chicken. May egg pa. San ka pa?
Kompleto.
May
Hearty
gulay
meal.
pala. Ito.
Mm-mm.
Sana pala nilagay ko sa ano?
Saan?
Sa kanin. Bata for 10 minutes before the wake-up call. Babad lang tayo ng konti.